Hi traders, 5th of April 2019. This is a support video for the MACD Turbo 2019 re-release in the XL series from FX Algo Trader. In brief, we've taken our old MACD indicators, which we developed a long time ago, and we've freshened them up and improved the license management system and added push notifications and generally tidied up the whole operation of them, and then supplied them as essentially a sort of a light, if you like, option for traders who are not looking to spend a lot of money. And we've got them in our XL series, which is down here, and I'm just going to release the MACD Turbo system and gradually grow this range of products. So they're all going to go for about 30 bucks, which is exactly the same price as you can buy them on mql5.com. But obviously, if you get them through us, you will get a slightly different version in terms of license management, where it's not too obtrusive. And obviously, without further ado, let me press on, and I'm just going to talk about this indicator and how the signal crossovers work. So what we're looking at here is MACD on a sterling US dollar monthly chart, and you can see how the MACD line is the darker line, and every time the MACD line crosses the signal line, essentially people can use those as entry signals for a trade. And over a long time period, you can see here we are looking at a monthly chart, but the accuracy of these signals is rather good. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 signals, and there are only 4 bad signals or 4 false signals within that range. So 12 out of 16 is pretty good, and you're talking about some pretty big moves, particularly, you know, looking at these signals here. You saw essentially you'd be entering, obviously, when you've got a printed crossover. So that entry, essentially, if you'd ridden that down, it's a huge move. We're talking about 3,500 pips there, and the same thing. This big move here, you'd have entered on the print, on the close, as in where the crossover is actually printed on the chart. So you'd be coming in around about here, and again, you know, 4,700 pips. I mean, we're talking long-term trades here. So it just goes to show, though, how the real money is in the long-term trades. If you can set your stops wide enough to carry, you know, the volatility and to handle the volatility in the market, it is intriguing, really, when you look at this sort of stuff. But that is just a quick overview of MACD signal line crossovers and how accurate they can be on the longer time frame. If you go down to short time frames, you're going to get a lot more false signals being generated. Sure, you can use MACD, the MACD signal line crossover, as your entry if you so wish, but I think you'll get a lot of false triggers. So my inclination is to use MACD on the long-term charts as a sanity check, if you like. And if you start to see situations where you've got a MACD crossover on the monthly or the weekly chart, and things are kind of heading in the way that you suspect they may be, that could be confirmation to use other tools like support and resistance based tools, pivots, etc., or trend lines, to base trades in the direction of that long-term trend, which can be detected using a variety of different instruments and tools. So anyway, that's really just a quick overview of this new or re-released, I should say, MACD Turbo Indicator 2019. It's got, as I said, push notifications, email alerts, pop-up alerts, obviously complete configuration or control over colors, histogram widths, and MACD and signal line colors, etc., etc. You've got a configurable alert system as well. So if you like the look of that, by all means take a look at our webpage, fxalgotrader.com, and you can check out the products. We have the XL series products, and we've also got the Pro series products for those of you looking for something a bit whizzier with Java interface for ultra rapid configuration changes and other features which you can't achieve with standard MetaTrader 4 indicators without which don't use Java interfaces, etc. So there you go, MACD Turbo. I'll be releasing that pretty soon, and so check out the site if you want to stay informed about that. $30, absolute bargain basement, and you've got essentially a proper, well-coded indicator, which is battle tested and proven. We've been doing this business for over 10 years, so we're not a fly-by-night kind of curve-fitting, EA-toting kind of robot vendor. So yeah, please check us out, and www.fxalgotrader.com. Thanks for watching.